Welcome to our EDG PD in less than 3, professional development in less than 3 minutes. There are two major ways to think about subtraction problems. Check out the following story problem. Quite often when we subtract, students will think of taking something away. In this problem, 52 take away 38. However, we can also think about this as finding the difference. Using this method, I could solve the same problem with 38 plus what is 52. While it's important that our kids are successful with both strategies, sometimes one is more efficient than the other. Today, we will work on our notation when modeling adding to subtract, also known as finding the difference. Let's reminisce on the standard algorithm. The language that I'm about to use will reflect how many of us learned how to subtract. I can't take 8 away from 2, so I borrow from the 5, and then I'll make the 5 a 4, and then I'll put a 1 in front of the 2, so 12 take away 8 is 4, and I'll put down the 4, and then I look at the other 4 up here, and 4 take away 3 is 1, so I'll put down the 1, the difference is 14. The standard algorithm is hard to remember due to the fact that this is trying to remember steps or mimicking actions instead of thinking about the numbers in the task at hand. It gets even more overwhelming for students and adults for that matter when the problems start to look like this. Let's try our original problem with the adding up to subtract strategy. I'm at 38, I want to know how many to 52. Plus 2 gets me to 40, plus 12 gets me to 52. The difference is 14. Look at how efficient that was. Let's try another. Watch my notation here. When explaining this to kids, I say, I'm just going to take some notes off to the side to free up some brain space for thinking. Plus 8 gets me to 100. Plus 900 gets me to 1,000. Plus 5,000 gets me to 6,000. The difference is 5,908. Your PD deliverable today is a link to a resource from Project Math. It is a collection of PDFs for families that explain how multi-digit operations work. I have also included an adding up to subtract activity page that you can adapt for your students. Thanks.